Let's see how to open iDlock if forgot password. In the first step, open Settings. Then select Face ID and passcode. Then type your current passcode when asked. In the next step, choose Change Passcode. Then enter your existing passcode. Now, create a new passcode. In the next step, open Settings. After that, tap on Apple ID. Later, click on iCloud. In the next step, use another device to open Find My app. Then pick your iPad from the available devices. Now, select Erase iPad option. In the next step, power on your iPad. Next, complete the guided setup steps. Later, log in using your Apple ID. You are good to go.